Radio News. I am Hani Aman from Standard 5, reporting to you news from GMLP School, Pandikad. News headlines. Special SRG meeting at GMLPS Pandikad focuses on LSS examination action plan for Standard 4. GMLP School Pandikad has introduced a new uniform with a fresh color and pattern, bringing a new look to the school. Onam exam at GMLP School Pandikad starts August 18. GMLPS Pandikad held a special school research group meeting to discuss and formulate an action plan regarding the LSS examination for students in Standard 4. The SRG, an academic collective of teachers in the school, aims to effectively implement academic and non-academic activities. The meeting focused on creating a strategic plan to prepare Standard 4 students for the LSS examination. An action plan for getting LSS support for all students in Standard 4 would typically focus on strategies to ensure every student is well prepared for the exam. The main attraction of the package is personalized learning plans, tailoring learning approaches to individual student needs. Key consideration for LSS preparation: identifying students who need extra help and providing targeted support. Also involving parents in the learning process for better outcomes. GMLP School Pandikad has introduced a new uniform with a fresh color and pattern, bringing a new look to the school. Parents are expressing their happiness over this change. All the boys are already sporting the new uniform and girls will be getting their shortly. Parents are expressing their happiness over this change. The school has introduced a new color and pattern for the uniform, giving the students a fresh look. Parents are very happy with new uniform change. Onam exam at GMLP School Pandikad starts August 18. The Onam exams are happening from August 18 to 20. Following this, there is an SRG meeting scheduled for August 27. After the SRG meeting on August 27, Onam vacation is set to start. Students are reportedly well prepared and very confident to write the exam. The evaluation activities are designed to be appropriate for the level of children and can be completed within the given time limit. After exams, Onam celebration will be held on August 29, followed by Onam holidays from August 29 to September 7. After the Onam exams, students at GMLPS Pandikad do revision of all subjects as part of the Onam exam schedule itself. conclude the news of the evening. Signing off, I am Hani Aman. Thank you.